रजिस्ट्रेशन की मंजूरी मिली? Which pilgrimage site in Punjab got approval for FCRA registration from the Ministry of Home Affairs? The answer is Golden Temple, and it is in Amritsar in Punjab. Now question number 2. किसने समुद्री क्षेत्र में विवादों के समाधान के लिए सारोद पोर्ट्स नामक विवाद निपटान तंत्र लॉन्च किया? Who launched a dispute settlement mechanism called Sarod Ports to resolve disputes in the maritime sector? The answer is Manmukh Mandaviya. Now question number 3. किस देश में दुनिया का पहला फ्लोटिंग एप्पल स्टोर लॉन्च किया गया? In which country the world's first floating Apple store was launched? The answer is in Singapore, and the capital of Singapore is Singapore. Capital of Singapore is also the Singapore. Now question number 4. ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक फ्रीडम इंडेक्स 2020 में शीर्ष स्थान पर कौन सा देश रहा? Which country topped the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? The answer is Hong Kong, and the capital of Hong Kong is City of Victoria. Now question number 5. भारत ने किस देश से आयात होने वाले विटामिन सी पर जांच शुरू की? India started investigation on vitamin C imported from which country? The answer is China. Now question number 6. ASCI के नए अध्यक्ष पद पर किसे नियुक्त किया गया? Who was appointed as the new president of ASCI? Answer is Subhash Kamath. Now question number 7. हिमालय दिवस कब मनाया गया? When was Himalaya Day celebrated? The answer is on 9th September. Now question number 8. हिमालय दिवस 2020 का विषय क्या रखा गया? What was the theme of Himalaya Day 2020? The answer is Himalaya and nature. The Himalaya and nature. Now question number 9. किस शहर में एरो इंडिया 21 का 13वां संस्करण आयोजित किया जाएगा? In which city the 13th edition of Aero India 21 will be held? The answer is Bengaluru. Now question number 10. मूडीज ने वर्ष 2020-21 में भारत की जीडीपी कितने प्रतिशत सिकुड़ने का अनुमान लगाया है? Moody's has estimated the percentage of India's GDP to shrink in the year 2020-21 is 11.5%. Now question number 11. डायना रिंग का निधन हुआ है, वह एक प्रसिद्ध क्या थी? Diana Ring has died. What was she a famous? The answer is actress. She was a famous actress. Now question number 12. गुजरात राज्य सरकार ने सिरेमिक उद्योग में गैस बिल में कितने प्रतिशत की राहत देने का निर्णय लिया? Gujarat state government decided to give what percentage relief in gas bill in the ceramic industry? The answer is 16%. सिरेमिक इंडस्ट्री मतलब होता है वैसे उद्योग जो कि सीमेंट कारखानों से संबंधित हो। Now question number 13. किस राज्य ने कृषि क्षेत्र में सहयोग के लिए नीदरलैंड के साथ समझौता किया? Which state tied up with Netherlands for the cooperation in the agricultural sector? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and the capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. AMSTERDAM. ERDAM, Amsterdam. Now next question. Question number 14. City Group की पहली महिला CEO कौन बनी? Who became the first female CEO of City Group? The answer is Jane Fraser, and the full form of CEO is Chief Executive Officer. Okay. Now, question number 15. विश्व प्राथमिक उपचार दिवस कब मनाया गया? When World Fighter Aid Day was celebrated? The answer is on 12th September. Now, question number 16. यूनिसेफ ने किस अभिनेता को बाल अधिकार अधिनियम का सेलिब्रिटी एडवोकेट नियुक्त किया? Which actor was appointed by UNICEF as the Celebrity Advocate of Child Rights Act? The answer is Ayushmann Khurrana, and the full form of UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Educational Fund. I am repeating again, United Nations International Children's Education Fund. Now question number 17. किस राज्य सरकार ने देश का सबसे बड़ा पिगरी मिशन लॉन्च किया? Which state government launched the country's largest piggery mission? The answer is Meghalaya. And the piggery mission is mainly started to encourage the farmers to take loans for their agricultural purposes. Okay? मतलब कि जो फार्मर होते हैं उनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए कि आप लोन लें और अपने जो खेती बाड़ी का काम है वो सुचारू रूप से करें. Now question number 18. इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर साउथ कॉपरेशन कब मनाया गया? When was International Day for South Cooperation celebrated? The answer is on 12th September. Now question number 19. अमेरिका ने सुरक्षा का हवाला देते हुए कितने चीनी नागरिकों का स्टूडेंट वीज़ा रद्द किया? US cancelled the student's visa for how many Chinese citizens, citing security? The answer is 1,000 students. Now question number 20. PM नरेंद्र मोदी ने गृह प्रवेश समारोह के तहत किस राज्य में 1.75 लाख घरों का उद्घाटन किया? PM नरेंद्र मोदी inaugurated 1.75 lakhs houses in which state under home entry ceremony? The answer is in Madhya Pradesh. Now question number 21. आचार्य विनोबा भावे की 125वीं जयंती कब मनाई गई? When the 125th birthday anniversary of Acharya Vinoba Bhave was celebrated? The answer is on 11th September. Now next question. हैशन तूफान ने किस देश में भारी तबाही मचाई है? In which country has the Haiyan storm caused great destruction? The answer is Japan and South Korea. Capital of Japan is Tokyo and the capital of South Korea is Seoul. SEOUL. Now question number 23. ब्रिटेन देश ने किसे अपना व्यापारिक सलाहकार नियुक्त किया? Who appointed Britain as their business advisor? The answer is Tony Abbott, and the capital of Britain is London. Now question number 25. किस सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स ने There is Help नामक सर्च प्रॉम्प्ट लॉन्च किया? Which social networking sites launched a search prompt named There is Help? The answer is Twitter. Now question number 26. किस देश द्वारा ओमान सागर में जोलफांग नामक नौसैनिक अभ्यास आयोजित किया जा रहा है? Which country is conducting a naval exercise called Jolfang in Oman Sea? The answer is Iran. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.